The decorative panel is easy to install and comes with an aluminum film. Scratch resistant, wear resistant, and of good quality. Tears and sticks instantly. On-site display effect.
Imitation solid wood skirting board. Safe and odor-free. Easy installation. Comes with aluminum foil adhesive. One person can easily operate it as soon as it is torn and pasted. Scratch resistant and wear resistant. Good quality, kick resistant and dirt resistant. Durable. Imported material. Waterproof and moisture proof. Wipe it off. Super viscous. Paste firmly, do not fall off, do not warp the edge. See in display.